How to sign up for the Pioneer affiliate account. Hey there, entrepreneurs and freelancers. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to sign up for the Pioneer affiliate program. If you're looking to earn some extra cash by promoting a trusted financial service, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First, let's understand what the Pioneer affiliate program is all about. Payoneer is a global financial platform that enables business and freelancers to send and receive payment easily. Their affiliate program allows you to earn commission by referring new customers to Payoneer. To get started with this opportunity, you need to follow a few straightforward steps and I'll guide you through the entire process. Before becoming an affiliate, you'll need a Payoneer account. If you don't have one already, let's go ahead and create it. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on Start Earning Today. Then you need to click on Register. Here you need to provide some details about yourself, like your first name, last name, email address, and your date of birth. Then click on Next. Now you need to provide some contact details. Then you need to provide some security details. Once you are done providing your details, then you need to click on Sign Up. You may need to provide some additional information during the affiliate sign up process. Fill out the required details accurately. After completing the sign up process, you will receive a confirmation email from Payoneer. Follow the instruction in the email to activate your affiliate account. And there you have it. You are now officially a part of Payoneer affiliate program. You can start earning commissions by promoting Payoneer to audience or network. If you have any question or need any further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comment sections below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated on the latest financial opportunities. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your Payoneer affiliate journey.